Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this 70s inspired makeup look, so if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. And so I wanted to do like a 70s inspired kind of makeup look today. One of my favorite YouTubers, Bailey Sarian, she has a tutorial on this kind of makeup, and so I'm going to be like going off of her video. I'll link it in the description down below. Her look, she did like a like baby blue shadow on the lid, and there's actually a picture of Mick Jagger that I love where he has like a similar color across the lid, so that's kind of like my inspiration for today. So I already primed my skin off camera. So for foundation today, I'm going to use the YSL TOUCHE ECLAT All-in-One Glow, and I have the shade B10. Next I'm going to do concealer, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 5 Ivory. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Colourpop Coconut Beach bronzer, and I'm going to apply it with my e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. Off camera, I put some baking powder on my face. I just put it under my eyes and along my cheekbones. Usually I put it on my lids, but the shadow I'm using today, I'm not sure if it's gonna stick very well to powder, so I'm just gonna leave it kind of tacky. So for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use the NYX Cosmetics Fairy Lights palette. The first shade I'm gonna take is called Precious, and I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of that on a Morphe M573 brush. Next, I'm going to take the shade Enchanting, and I'm going to take that on this brush from Cala. It's just like an eyeshadow shader brush, and I'm going to pack this all over my lid. Okay, so I ended up having to use my finger for a lot of that shade just because I wasn't getting the pigmentation I wanted out of it from a brush. And now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush. This is from NYX Cosmetics. It's the Studio Pro number 5 brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges of that blue shadow. And so off camera I built up that blue shade a little bit more just using my finger and the brush, but this is where I want to leave the eyes for now. So off camera I'm gonna clean off my baking powder, and then I will be back to finish the rest of my face. So for blush today I want something like really pink, so I'm gonna use my Morphe Blush Trio in Pop Blush, and I'm gonna take this middle shade right here, and that's called Fearless. For our highlighter today, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Highlighter Reloaded in Just My Type. And so before I do my eyebrows, I actually just want to go back to the eyes for a minute. So I'm going to go back in with the shader brush, and I'm going to take the blue shade Enchanting again, and I'm going to put it like in my crease a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it out with the clean blending brush. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to underline the bottom of my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Auburn. So to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, and this is in the shade Dub. For mascara today, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara. Now, if you weren't going to wear false lashes with this look, you could build your mascara up and get it like kind of nice and chunky, I guess. But I'm going to put false lashes on today, so I'm only going to do like 1 or 2 coats of this. For false eyelashes today, I'm going to use these ones from Ardell. They're from the Double Up line. They're the Double Demi Wispies. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, first I'm gonna put some eyeliner in my waterline. This is from NYX. It's the Always Keepin' It Tight, and it's in the shade Nude. Now, if you had a white eyeliner, it might look a little bit better, but I can't seem to find where I put mine, so I'm gonna use this, and this is just to make the eyes look like a little bit more bigger. And next I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the shade Enchanting again. I'm going to take it on the same eyeshadow brush I've been using, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to take the shade Luminous, and I'm going to take that on a NYX Cosmetics Studio Pro number 9 brush, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner and along my brow bone. And now I'm going to put mascara on my lower lashes, and I'm going to use Tarte Light Skimmer Lashes mascara. For my lips, first I'm going to start off by lining them. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Beige. Next I'm going to use the Maybelline Intimatte Nude Lipstick in the shade 535 Purely Nude. And now in the center of that, I'm going to take this. It's also from Maybelline. It's the Colorsensational lipstick in the shade 9110 Bare All. So I just went off camera and did my hair. This side, the left side of my hair never looks good, so pay more attention to this side. But it's actually pretty easy to do, so if you guys want a tutorial on it, so just let me know in the comments below. But so that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this turned out so cool, so fun. Let me know if there's any other looks that you guys want to see. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you all next time.